right, happy homeowners back here in Glendora. Hey, been a good day. Been a good day. Look at this. We're applying the finish right now. I'm gonna turn around and show this. Come on. There it is. So here we go. This is all sanded. There's some spots, but not drastic enough to make us want to stain this beautiful thing. Look at that. Man. In this back bedroom already, we just finished coating it, a Douglas fir. Look at that. Watch your language. There we go. Very nice. There it is. And again, it's cool. Look, these boards are solid. One board all the way across. Alright, so we're going to let this dry overnight. I mean, it'll be dry in about 30 minutes. We're going to come back in the morning, do a real fine sanding, apply a couple more coats. Alright guys, enjoy.